Good morning, students. In previous session we are discussing about solution of system of equations using matrix method. Okay, now today I will continue based on matrix method to solve some more problems. Now here problem number 4. If A is the matrix of order 3 cross 3, that is first row 2 minus 3 minus 5, 3 minus 2 minus 4, 1 1 minus 2. Find A inverse. Find A inverse. Using A inverse, solve the system of equation. Okay, using matrix method. Now how to solve? First to find A inverse. Now given data, let A is the matrix. Given A is a matrix of order 3 cross 3, namely first row 2 minus 3 5, second row 3 2 minus 4, third row 1 1 minus 2. Now to find A inverse. Now what is the formula for A inverse? 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Now to find determinant of A. Determinant of A is equal to determinant 2 minus 3 5, 3 2 minus 4, 1 1 minus 2. Expand that determinant, plus minus plus. 2 into deleting first row first column 4 numbers, the difference of the cross multiply, 2 into minus 2 minus 4 difference, minus 1 into minus 4 minus 4, minus into minus plus 4, minus into minus plus 3, deleting first row second column 4 numbers, the difference of the cross multiply, 3 into minus 2 minus 6 difference, minus 1 into minus 4 minus 4, minus into minus plus 4, plus 5 into deleting first row third column, 3 into 1 3 difference, minus 1 into 2 2, that is equal to minus 4 plus 4, that is 0, minus 6 plus 4 minus 2 into 3 minus 6, 3 minus 2 1, 1 into 5 plus 5, minus 6 plus 5 minus 1, which is not equal to 0. Therefore the given matrix is non-singular matrix. Then to find adjoint of a matrix. Definition of adjoint: transpose of the cofactors. How many cofactors? 9 cofactors. C11 plus, because 1 plus 1 2, 2 even number, positive sign, deleting first row first column. First row first column 4 elements, 2 minus 4 1 minus 2, 2 minus 4 1 minus 2. Expand it. The difference of the cross multiply, minus 4 difference, minus 1 into minus 4 minus 4, minus into minus plus 4, that is 0. C12 minus, because 1 plus 2 3 odd number, minus sign, alternative sign, deleting first row second column, first row second column 4 elements, 3 minus 4 1 minus 2, 3 minus 4 1 minus 2, minus of the difference of the cross multiply, minus 6 difference, minus 1 into minus 4 minus 4, minus into minus plus 4, that is plus 2. Correct? Next C13, 1 plus 3 4, 4 is even number, positive sign, deleting first row third column 4 elements, 3 2 1 1, 3 2 1 1. Expand it. The difference of the cross multiply, 3 minus 2, that is 1. Take second row C21, 2 plus 1 3, 3 is odd number, minus sign, deleting second row first column 4 elements, minus 3 5 1 minus 2, minus 3 5 1 minus 2, minus the difference of the cross multiply, plus 6 difference, minus 1 into 5 5, 6 minus 5 1, that is here minus 1. C22, 2 plus 2 4, 4 is even number, positive sign, deleting second row second column 4 elements, second row second column tagadra 2 5 1 minus 2, 2 5 1 minus 2. Expand the difference of the cross multiply, minus 4 minus 5, that is minus 9. Next C23, 2 plus 3 5, 5 is odd number, minus sign, deleting second row third column, 2 minus 3 1 1. 2 minus 3 1 1 minus the difference of the cross multiply 2 difference minus 1 into minus 3 minus into minus plus 3 that is minus 5. Take third row C31 plus plus 3 plus 1 4 is even number positive sign. Deleting third row first column 4 elements minus 3 5 2 minus 4 plus the difference of the cross multiply plus 12 difference minus 2 5s are 10 12 minus 10 2. Then C32 3 plus 2 5 is odd number minus sign. Deleting third row second column 2 5 3 minus 4 2 5 3 minus 4 minus the difference of the cross multiply minus 8 difference 3 5s are 15. How much? That is plus 23. Minus 8 minus 15 minus 23, that minus into minus plus. Then last cofactor C33 plus the difference of the cross multiplication. Deleting third row third column 2 minus 3 3 2 2 minus 3 3 2 expand it plus 2 into 2 4 difference minus 3 into minus 3 minus 9 minus into minus plus 9 4 plus 9 30. These are the cofactors. Then to find adjoint, therefore adjoint of A is equal to definition of adjoint transpose of the cofactors C110 C122 C131 C21 minus 1 C22 minus 9 C23 minus 5 C312 C32 23 C33 13. Its transpose. Definition of transpose: interchanging the rows and columns. First column 0 2 1, second column minus 1 minus 9 minus 5, third column 2 23 30. This is adjoint. Therefore A inverse is equal to 1 divided by formula determinant of A value minus 1 into adjoint 0 minus 1 2 minus 9 23 1 minus 5 30. That is equal to by scalar multiplication 1 by minus 1 is nothing but minus 1 into that elements ಎಲ್ಲವಕ್ಕೂ minus ಇಂದ multiply ಮಾಡಿ 0 minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 into 2 minus 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 2 minus 1 into minus 9 plus 9 minus 1 into 23 minus 23 minus 1 into 1 minus 1 minus 1 into minus 5 plus 5 minus 1 into 13 minus 13. This is A inverse. Using A inverse ಅದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು solve the system of equation matrix method. Now let A is a matrix. Write the coefficients of x, y, z. 2, minus 3, 5. Second line 3, 2, 4. Third line coefficient of x, y, z 1, 1, minus 2. Then capital X is equal to find three values x, y, z denoted by capital X and constant terms denoted by B. B is equal to 11 minus 5 minus 3. Okay. Then therefore these three matrices satisfying the equation A into x equal to B. This implies capital X is equal to A inverse into B. So capital X is equal to A inverse. Comparing the matrix A in given matrix. ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ ಗಿವನ್ ಡೇಟಾ A matrix same elements. Here in 3 linear equations the matrix A is also same. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇದರ A ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ A ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್? A ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ A ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್? A ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ A ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ 0, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇದು ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ A ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್? 0 1 -2 -2 9 -23 minus 1, 5, minus 13 into B. B matrix 11, minus 5, minus 3. Okay. So that is equal to, multiply those two, row by column. 0 into 11, 0. 1 into minus 5, minus 5. Minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6. Second row by first column, minus 2 into 11, minus 22. 9 into minus 5, minus 45. Minus 23 into minus 3 plus 69. Correct? Third row by first column, minus 11, 5 into minus 5, minus 25, minus 13 into minus 3, plus 39. That is, capital X is equal to, but capital X value, XYZ, XYZ is equal to minus 5 plus 6, 1, minus 22 minus 45, minus 67 plus 69, 2, minus 11 minus 25 minus 36 plus 39, 3. Clearly these two matrices having same order are said to be equal if and only if the corresponding elements are equal. X is equal to 1, Y is equal to 2 and Z is equal to 3. Matrix method solve ಮಾಡೋದು ಇದನ್ನು A inverse find out ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇದರ coefficients of x y z the given matrix A both are same. So A inverse solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, direct A inverse substitute ಮಾಡಿ. Using A inverse solve the system of equations using matrix method. Okay. Next problem, problem number 5. Solve the system of equation 2 by x plus 3 by y plus 10 by z is equal to 4. 4 by x minus 6 by y plus 5 by z is equal to 1. 6 by x plus 9 by y minus 20 by z is equal to 2 using matrix method. Now identify whether the given data is it in linear form? No, because in linear equation means the power of x, y, z should be 1 plus 1, but here denominator term x, y, z. So 1 by x, meaning of 1 by x is x power minus 1. So power of x is minus 1, that is not linear. So power of x, y, z should be plus 1, then that is known as linear. So what can you do? First, to convert given these three equation into linear equation. Now this is first equation, that is second equation, this is third equation. Now to convert these three equations into linear form, how to convert? Now here by substituting, take 1 by x is equal to capital X, or you call it as, okay, no problem, capital X, and 1 upon y is equal to, say, capital Y, and put 1 by z is equal to capital Z. Therefore, equation 1, 2, 3 gives, equation 1, 2, 3 gives, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 2 into 1 by x, but 1 by x by taking capital X, right, plus 3, 1 upon y, nothing but by taking capital Y, plus 10, 1 by z is nothing but capital Z is equal to 4. It will become linear. Similarly, second one, 4 into capital X, right, minus 6 into capital Y, plus 5 into capital Z is equal to 1. Third equation, 6 into capital X plus 9 into capital Y minus 20 into capital Z is equal to 2. Convert given data in linear form. Then to find the values of capital X, capital Y, capital Z. Now first step, take A is the matrix. Let A is equal to, write the coefficients of capital X, Y, Z. 2, 3, 10, here 4, minus 6, 5, then here 6, 9, minus 20. To find three unknown values, capital X, capital Y, capital Z, now that is denoted by, say, P. Let P is equal to 3 unknown values, capital X, capital Y, capital Z ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣಲ್ಲ. Okay, then constant terms B is equal to 4 1 2. Okay, and then remaining things as it is. Therefore A into P is equal to B. Therefore P is equal to A inverse into P. P means XYZ. Okay. Now to find A inverse, what is the formula for A inverse? A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Now to find determinant of A, determinant 2, 3, 10, 4, minus 6, 5, 6, 9, minus 20. Expand plus minus plus 2 into deleting first row first column minus 6 into minus 20 120 minus 9 5s are 45, right? Minus 3 into deleting first row second column 4 into minus 20 minus 80 difference minus 6 5s are 30 plus 10 into deleting first row third column 4 9s are 36 difference minus 6 into minus 6 minus 36 minus into minus plus 36. Simplify 120 minus 45 75 2s are 150, correct? Minus 80 minus 30 minus 110 minus into minus plus 110 into 3 330 36 plus 36 72 into 10 720. Add these three 0 0 0 2 plus 3 5 plus 5 10 carry 1 8 plus 3 11 plus 1 12 1200, which is not equal to 0. Therefore the given matrix is non-singular. Then to find the cofactors. Now to find 9 cofactors. C11 shall I write directly? ಈಗ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರೆಯೋಣಲ್ಲ. 1 plus 1 2, 2 is even number positive sign. Deleting first row first column, first row first column 4 elements, the difference of the cross multiply ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 120 difference minus 9 5s are 45, that is equal to 75. C12 minus, because 1 plus 2 3 odd number minus sign, deleting first row second column 4 elements 4 into minus 20 minus 80 difference minus 6 into 5 30 minus 80 minus 30 minus 110 minus into minus plus 110. C13 1 plus 3 4 is even number, deleting first row third column 4 9s are 36 difference minus 6 into minus 6 minus 36 minus into minus plus 36, that is 72. C21 minus, deleting second row first column 4 elements 3 into minus 20 minus 60 difference minus 9 into 10 90, that is 150. Second row first column minus 60 minus 90. Then C22 plus, deleting second row second column 4 elements, second row second column 4 elements, namely 2 into minus 20 minus 40 difference 6 into 10 60, that is minus 100. C23 minus, because 2 plus 3 5 odd number minus sign, deleting second row third column 2 3 6 9 cross multiply 9 2s are 18 minus 18 minus 18, that is 0. Take third row C31 plus, deleting third row first column 4 elements 5 3s are 15 difference minus 6 into 10 minus 60 minus into minus plus 60 75. C32 minus, deleting third row second column 4 elements 2 into 5 10 minus 40 10 minus 40, that is plus 30. C33 plus, deleting third row third column 4 elements cross multiply minus 12 6 2s are minus 12 minus 4 3s are minus 12, that is minus 24. These are the cofactors. Therefore adjoint of A is equal to transpose of the cofactors. First cofactor 75 110 72. Next 150 minus 100 0. Here 75 30 and here minus 24. It's a transpose. Definition of transpose: interchanging the rows and columns. In first row elements are 75, 110, 72. Write in first column 75, 110, 72. Second column 150 minus 100, 0. Third column 75, 30 minus 24. This is adjoint. Therefore, A inverse is equal to 1 divided by determinant of A. Determinant of A value ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 1200 into adjoint 75, 150, 75, correct? 110 minus 100, 30, 72, 0 minus 24. Therefore, capital P is equal to, instead of x, P is equal to A inverse into B. A inverse is 1 by 1200, 75, 150, 75, 110 minus 100, 30, 72, 0 minus 24 into B. B matrix 4, 1, 2. 4, 1, 2. That is 1 by 1200 into, multiply row by column, 75 into 4, 4 5s are 20, 4 7s are 28 plus 2, 300, 150 into 1, 150, 75 2s are 150. Second row by first column, 110 into 4, 440, minus 100 into 1, minus 100, 30 into 2, 60. Third row by first column, 72 4s are 288. 0 into 1, 0, minus 24 2s are minus 48. That is 1 by 1200 into 300 plus 150, 450. 450 plus 150, 600. 440 minus 100, 340. 340 plus 60, 400. 288 minus 48, 0, that is 248, 240. Correct? But P is equal to capital X, capital Y, capital Z is equal to, by scalar multiplication, 1 by 1200 into 600, 2 0 cancel, 6 1s are 6 2s are 1 by 2. 1 by 1200 into 400, 2 0 cancel, 4 1s are 4 3s are. 1 by 1200 into 240, 1 0 cancel. Now here that is 24 1s are, 24 5s are, 1 by 5. Clearly these two matrices having same order are said to be equal if and only if corresponding elements are equal. Capital X is equal to 1 by 2, capital Y is equal to 1 by 3, capital Z is equal to 1 by 5. But the value of capital X ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? 1 by small x equal to 1 by 2, 1 by small y is equal to 1 by 3, 1 by small z is equal to 1 by 5. Therefore, taking the reciprocal, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3 and z is equal to 5. So, the values of x, y, z are 2, 3, 5. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆ ಮೂರು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಝೆಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೀವು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಝೆಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಝೆಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ 1 ಬರಬೇಕು, ಹಿಯರ್ 2 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಈ ಥರ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಲೀನಿಯರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ದೆನ್ solve the system of linear equations using matrix method. Okay. One more problem. Solve the system of linear equation. First one, 5x plus 2y is equal to 4, 7x plus 3y is equal to 5. Second one, 2x minus y is equal to minus 2, 3x plus 4y is equal to 3 using matrix method. Here only two variables, x and y. It means to find the value of x and y. Now first problem. ಏನಿದೆ, 5x plus 2y is equal to 4, 7x plus 3y is equal to 5. Now first step, take A is the matrix, write the coefficients of x, y. Only two variables 5, 2, 7, 3. To find two unknown values x and y denoted by capital X. Constant terms denoted by b. b is equal to 4, 5. Therefore, these three matrices satisfying the equation A into x equal to b implies capital X is equal to A inverse into b. Now to find A inverse formula 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Now to find determinant of A. Determinant 5, 2, 7, 3. It is 2 cross 2 determinant. Expand it, the difference of the cross multiply. 5 3s are 15, 7 2s are 14. The difference of the cross multiply. 15 minus 14, 1, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, the given matrix is non-singular. Then to find adjoint. Definition of adjoint, transpose of the cofactors. How many cofactors? 4 cofactors, because the given matrix consisting of how many elements? 4 elements. So that to find 4 cofactors, C11 plus 1 1 indicate by deleting first row first column, that is 1 element, that is 3. C12 1 plus 2 3, 3 is odd number minus sign, deleting first row second column, that is 7. First row over, take second row. C21 again minus, because 2 plus 1 3, 3 odd number minus sign, deleting second row first column, that is 2. C22 2 plus 2 4, 4 is even number plus, deleting second row second column, 1 element, that is 5. Therefore, adjoint of A is equal to transpose of the cofactors C11 3, C12 minus 7, C21 minus 2, C22 5, its transpose. Definition of transpose, interchanging the rows and columns. First column 3 minus 7, second column minus 2, 5. This is adjoint. Therefore, A inverse is equal to 1 divided by determinant of A value 1 into adjoint of A 3 minus 2 minus 7, 5. Now to find x and y value denoted by capital X. Therefore, capital X is equal to, the formula, capital X is equal to A inverse into B. But A inverse value 1 by 1 is nothing but 1. 3 minus 2 minus 7 5 into B. What is B? 2 cross 1 matrix 4 5. Now multiply those two matrices. How to multiply? Row by column. 3 into 4 12 minus 2 into 5 minus 10. Second row by first column, minus 7 into 4 minus 28, 5 5s are 25. But the value of capital X is x1 is equal to 12 minus 10 2 minus 28 plus 5 minus 3. Both the matrices having same order, corresponding elements are equal. Therefore, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 3. This is matrix method. Now, substituting the value of x and y, put x is 2 and y is minus 3. X value 2, 5 2s are 10. Y value minus 3, 10 minus 6, 4. Okay. Then, similarly, second one, 2x minus y is equal to minus 2. 3x plus 4y is equal to 3 using matrix method. Same type. Let A is the matrix, coefficients of xy 2 minus 1, 3, 4. Capital X is equal to 2 unknown values x, y. Constant terms B is equal to minus 2, 3. Therefore, A into x is equal to B implies capital X is equal to A inverse into B. Now to find A inverse. What is A inverse formula? 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Same type. Now to find determinant of A. Determinant of A is equal to determinant 2 minus 1, 3, 4. The difference of the cross multiply 8, difference minus 3 into minus 1 minus 3 minus into minus plus 3, 11, which is not equal to 0, therefore the given matrix is non-singular. Then to find the adjoint cofactors, C11, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 is even number positive, deleting first row, first column, that is 4. C12, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 odd number, minus sign, deleting first row, second column, that is 3. C21, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 odd number, negative sign, deleting second row, first column, minus 1, that is minus into minus plus 1. C22, plus 2 plus 2, 4, 4 even number positive, deleting second row, second column, 2. Therefore, adjoint of A is equal to transpose of the cofactors C114, C12 minus 3, C211, C222, its transpose. Definition of transpose, interchanging the rows and columns. First column 4 minus 3, second column 1, 2. Therefore, A inverse is equal to 1 divided by determinant of 11 into adjoint 4, 1 minus 3, 2. Therefore, capital X is equal to, capital X value, A inverse into B. A inverse value 1 by 11 into 4, 1 minus 3, 2 into B. B value minus 2, 3. That is simplify 1 by 11 into, multiply those two, row by column, 4 into minus 2 minus 8, 1 into 3 plus 3, correct? Second row by first column, minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6, 2 3s are 6. So that is 1 by 11 into minus 8 plus 3, 5, 6 plus 6, 12. But the value of capital X is, capital X value, XY. That is, this implies X into Y, XY, 2 cross 1 matrix is equal to, by scalar multiplication, 1 by 11 into 5, 5 by 11, 1 by 11 into 12, 12 by 11. Clearly these two matrices having same order are said to be equal if and only if corresponding elements are equal. X is equal to 5 by 11 and Y is equal to 12 by 11. So the value of X is 5 by 11, Y value 12 by 11. Check ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ, cross check ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ, verify ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸನ್ನು ಈ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ -2 ಬರಬೇಕು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 3 ಬರಬೇಕು. ನೋಡೋಣ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, X ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 5 by 11 ಹೌದಲ್ರಿ. ನಾವು ಹಿಯರ್ 2 X ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 5 by 11 minus Y value 12 by 11. LCM is here 11. 11 ones are 11 ones are 2 5s are 10 minus 12. Correct? So ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು 10 minus 12 minus 2 by 11. But here minus 2 is there. Somewhere it is wrong. L mistake ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. 5 by 11 2 into X minus Y value 12 by 11. Check it, second equation 2 minus 1 3 4, cofactor C11 first row first column 4, C12 first row second column minus 3, C21 plus 1, C222, correct? Adjoint 4 minus 3 1 2, its transpose 4 minus 3 1 2, 4 into minus 2 minus 8, 3 ones are 3, yes. Then minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6, 2 3s are 6. Now determinant of A value is correct idena, 8 plus 3 11, correct ide. So 1 by 11 into 5, here 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, 12 by 11. Now second equation 2 into X minus Y, 12 by 11. 10 minus 12 minus 2 by 11. Here minus 8 plus 3 not plus 5, this is minus 5. So X value minus 5 by 11 minus 8 plus 3 is minus 5. ಈಗ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 2, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ -5/11, y value 12/11, -10 -12, -22/11, 11 ones are 11 twos are, that is -2. Is there? Yes. So x value not +5/11, x value is -5/11. X is equal to -5/11, y value 12/11. Clear, students? Okay. Now to solve some more problems in next class. Okay, same problems in next class. Okay, ಇದು only 2 variables, x and y ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ z ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 equation ಇಲ್ಲ, 2 equation ಇಂದಾಗೂ same method. Okay, so to solve some more problems in next class. Thank you, students.